Hi, I'm Tricia Thomas, CEO of the Bay East Association of Realtors. If you've been on our automatic membership renewal plan, you will have received several emails and calls from us recently asking you to create an account in our new membership system. We're asking you to update your credit card information so that we can continue to provide you with Bay East services uninterrupted as we go into the new billing year, which starts July 1. I want you to know this is not a scam. The emails and phone calls are not spam. We really do need you to update your information. Why? Because we recently launched a new membership system. To keep your personal data safe and secure, we need you to enter all of the information to the new system because we didn't transfer any of your old information. We need you to update your billing preferences, your credit card information into the new system. And if you need any assistance, we have a great membership support team who's available to help you. They can help you set up your account. They can help you answer any questions that you might have about the billing. Thank you so much for your membership. We really look forward to serving you for another year.